Hi mga kanayan, so this is Aurelio Isip and welcome to Isip Nayan.
Wow. Wow.
So in today's topic, we will talk about the trigonometry. So we will define what is trigonometry, and then we will find the 6 trigonometric functions, and we will have some vocabularies in dealing with this topic. So trigonometry. So first, trigonometry comes from the Greek word trigonon, which means triangle, and metron is measure. So ibig sabihin, triangle measures, no? So ang trigonometry, ginagamit siya sa architecture, astronomy, navigation, and surveying, and marami pang application ng trigonometry. So in vocabulary, so we can have the sine, what is cosine, secant, tangent, cosecant, and cotangent. And we will dealing with the angle of elevation and angle of depression. So okay, so we know that Hipparchus was the father of trigonometry, known as father of trigonometry. He introduced the 6 trigonometric ratios or functions. What are the 6 trigonometric ratios or functions? That is the sine, cosine, secant, cosecant, tangent, and cotangent. No? So if we have a triangle, this is the side A, side B, and side C. So this is the famous, you've known the famous SOHCAHTOA. What is SOHCAHTOA means? No? So means the sine is equivalent to opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and the tangent is equivalent to opposite over adjacent. So in the triangle, in the right triangle, the A, if this is our reference angle, sine A is equivalent to what is the opposite of the A. So the opposite side of the A is small letter a. So A over what is the hypotenuse or the longest side of the triangle. So this is the longest side of the triangle. So this is denoted by C. So sine is equivalent to opposite sine A. Sine A is opposite side A over C. So that is the sine A. So the cosine will be the cosine A is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So when you say adjacent, if this is the angle A, adjacent, the adjacent side is B. So B over C, that is the cosine A. And the TOA, for the tangent, so this is tangent A is equivalent to opposite over adjacent. So what is the opposite of angle A is A over what is the adjacent B. So that is the tangent A. Did you get? So just to be clear, no? So referring to this triangle, SOHCAHTOA means the sine is equal. Now, what are the three remaining ratios? So what is the cosecant, CSC symbol, no? What is cosecant A? Is the reciprocal of the sine A. So opposite over hypotenuse means hypotenuse over the opposite, which is C over A. So that is the cosecant A. So what is the secant? No? Secant A is the reciprocal of the cosine A, which is the hypotenuse over the adjacent side, which is C over B, and the last will be the cotangent. So COT A. So the cotangent A is the reciprocal of the tangent A, which is the adjacent over the opposite. So that is B over A. So the three remaining trigonometric ratios are the cosecant A, which is C over A, the secant A, which is C over B, and the cotangent A, which is B over A. Did you get? So next we will have an example and we will find the 6 trigonometric ratios. Let's have an example, no? So referring to this triangle. So first we need to find the unknown side. So the hypotenuse is 5, the one side is 2, and we were looking for the B. So we need to use the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem, C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. So to find the side B, so the C squared will be 25. So 5 squared equals A squared, which is 2 squared plus B squared. So 5 squared is equivalent to 25, is equivalent to equals 4, which is 2 squared is equivalent to 4, plus B squared. So we will minus 4 both sides, so meaning, so 25 minus 4 is equivalent to 4 minus 4 minus 4 plus B squared. So 25 minus 4 is 21, is equivalent to B squared. So we will square root, so we'll get rid of the exponent. So square root of 21. So B is equivalent to square root of 21. So B is equivalent to square root of. So this is square root of 21. So we will find the 6 trigonometric ratios, no, from this triangle. So what is the sine A? So sine theta. So that theta is the reference angle. What is the sine theta? So we know that the sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side of the theta? That is square root of 21 over the hypotenuse, which is the 5. So that is the sine theta. What is the cosine theta? So cosine theta, which is the adjacent of the theta, is 2 over the hypotenuse, which is 5. So 2 over 5. What is the tangent theta? So tangent theta will be the opposite over the adjacent. So what is the opposite? It is square root of 21 over 2. So that is the tangent theta. So the other trigonometric ratios, so three other trigonometric ratios are, so what is cosecant theta is the reciprocal of the sine theta. So 5 over square root of 21. But we don't have a square root of 21 in the denominator, so we will rationalize the denominator. So we will multiply square root of 21 over square root of 21. So it becomes 5 square root of 21 over 21, because square root of 21 multiplied by square root of 21, that is a 21. Did you get? So that is the cosecant theta. How about the secant theta? So secant theta is the reciprocal of the cosine theta, so 5 over 2. So last is the cotangent theta. So cotangent theta is reciprocal of the tangent theta, which is 2 over square root of 21. Again, no, we need to rationalize the denominator. So we will multiply square root of 21 over square root of 21. So it becomes 2 square root of 21 over 21. To summarize, no, the sine theta is square root of 21 over 5. The cosine theta is 2 over 5. The tangent theta is square root of 21 over 2. The cosecant theta is 5 square root of 21 over 21. The secant theta is 5 over 2. And the cotangent theta is 2 square root of 21 over 21. So that's all for this video. So wait for the second part of the trigonometry video that I will make. So if you like this video, just press the thumbs up and don't forget to share to other, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So that's all. So good luck, soldier.